Hello friends, myself Siddharth Joshi, Assistant Professor LJ Institute of Physiotherapy, Ahmedabad. Today's topic is wheel and axle. It is very important topic for first year because it will helpful in suspension therapy also. Plus, it is theory point of view very important because in university paper frequently question asks that wheel and axle. Mostly it will ask in 8 marks question in majority of papers. So one should be very clear with wheel and axle. It is like a important topic like lever. So wheel and axle will helpful in suspension therapy also because when you are not clear with wheel and axle, you are not supposed to no difficult to clear in suspension therapy also because you are always confused. So let's start today's topic that is called wheel and axle. Wheel and axle, how it consists of a wheel attached to a central axle about which it revolves. Force may be applied at the rim or to the axle. See, both type you can understand very well. It is not like that only one type of force may be applied at the rim or the axle also. According to that, there are two types of wheel and axle. So in lever there are three orders. Same way in the wheel and axle we'll have two types. One in which we can give force from the rim of the wheel, and the another is force given by the axle. So let's discuss type 1. Type 1. The force is applied at the rim of the wheel. It magnifies the force at the expense of speed and distance. Speed and distance will magnify. The larger the diameter of the wheel, the greater the magnification of force. Obviously, more diameter is more, obviously we are easily magnify the force. As the turning effect of the wheel is the product of the force and the radius. Example, steering wheel, door knob, water wheel and helm of ship. I know you are confused, but in next style you will easily get clear how it works. So let's go for second slide without wasting a time. See, in this slide you can understand the person is giving a force of the rim of that wheel. See, you understand? I hope you understand. In the second slide, you can easily understand. See, you are giving a force to the rim of the wheel. That is type 1. Now we will go for another slide for going to understand example. See, these are also classic example. Classic example of type 1 wheel. After that, this will also work. Helm of the ship. See, more the diameter easily handle. So let's go for description without wasting a time. In many respects, the wheel and axle device is similar to lever, L-E-V-E-R. Particularly when the wheel consists of a single spoke, as in case of the meat grinder, the pencil sharpener, and the hand operator clothes wringer. See, these are the example of the type 1 wheel. This corresponds to second class lever in which the resistance is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Classic example of lever, second order lever. Now go for type 2. Type 2 you understand very easily. The force is applied at the axle. The type of wheel and axle which is used to gain speed and distance at the expense of effort is seen less commonly. In the automobile, the rear wheel are turned by means of effort applies to the axle. Means See, don't get confused. You see, understand the bicycle. See, force is given by the axle. Bicycle, velocipede, old-fashioned bicycle in which the pedals are directly attached to the axle. Merry-go-round, Ferris wheel. See in the another slide, you understand. See, force is given by the axle. See, force is given by the axle, not the rim of the wheel. If rim of the wheel, then it will go to the type 1. See, cartwheel, force is given by the center. See, merry-go-round, in between motor is there. So motor is rounding like this way and it will go round and round. See, this is the classic example of type 2 wheel. So let's go through description. Wheel and axle in the body. In the body, most of the wheel and axle are arranged for gaining distance and speed at the expense of the effort. Multifidus, rotators, semispinalis act on the axial spinal column. The oblique abdominal muscles and the iliostalis exert force on the perimeter of the wheel, the ribs. See, when you see the diagram, you will understand. See, this is the classic example of using the wheel in the anatomical situation or in the anatomy or in the human body. See this one. So this is the topic wheel and axle. How it affect, what are the types, what are the example, mechanical example and the anatomical example. Thank you.